Hey guys, is it cold where you are? I think we're at like 2 degrees, wind chill of minus 26 or 27. I'm going out every little bit to give my chicken some water, so I've got hat head. It's pretty bad. I'm going to do a lot of baking today. So to get started, I am going to make my honey's favorite. He calls it Arkansas mud. A lot of people call it no-bake cookies. I don't know what else it would be called. I can't even remember. My mom used to make them when I was little. And so I was happy to find out that my honey loved them too. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to get started here. Let's see. Let's get y'all down here in this bowl so you can see what I'm doing. All right, I already got us started. I have a big old stock pot here with 2 sticks of salted butter in here and 3½ cups of white granulated sugar. And now I'm going to add 8 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 cup of whole milk. And I'm going to get that started. Make sure you get that sugar off the bottom there so it doesn't start burning. I cannot believe how cold it is outside. It hit about 3 or 4 o'clock this morning. And the wind is howling. There's even a little bit of snow on it. We've got a good dusting of snow out there. All right, now I've got that sugar scraped off the bottom real good, and it's starting to meld with the milk. I've just got to keep doing this until that butter starts melting, so I'll be back with you. Now, my butter is just about melted, and you do want to continue stirring this the whole time so that none of that sugar or butter starts sticking to the bottom. You do not want it to get burned. So now I want to get it to a boil, a really good boil. Once I get a really good boil going, I am going to set a timer for 1.5 minutes. Starting to get some bubbles. When you can't stir those bubbles down anymore, that's when you know you're there. Okay. We are there. See that? I can't stir those bubbles down. I'm going to start my timer for 1.5 minutes. I got to keep stirring it. Alrighty. Immediately got to take it and put it off to the side. So I'm going to move it off the heat and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so immediately I'm going to take a cup of peanut butter and very carefully put that in there because I don't want it to splash up on me. Two teaspoons of vanilla. And it's going to bubble when you put it in there because it's so hot. And I like to get that peanut butter kind of mixed around a little bit before I go pouring my oats in there. And this is 6 cups of quick oats. And you stir it up really good. Make sure you get all of those oats covered up, mixed in really good. Then I already have 3 large cookie sheets over here lined with some wax paper. So you gotta move kind of quick. Alright, I have a big tablespoon scoop. I use this thing all the time. Probably the easiest thing to use when you're doing this. Makes them just about the right size. It's starting to cool off in my pan. You'll notice it's not as runny as it was. It's so cool how people have different names for different things. The first time my honey told me he liked Arkansas mud, I was like, okay, you're weird. Then when he told me what it was, I said, oh yeah, my mom used to make that when I was little. So, we have to have it every once in a while. What, kitty? Kitty's yelling at me. Y'all hear it? Huh? I think I got one more in here. It might be a little one. He's just a baby. But there we go. Now these need to cool for probably about an hour. It'll take them to get nice and hard unless it's super cold in your house. But I'll come back in a second. Now see that? Arkansas mud. No bake cookies. They are delicious. This made about 62-inch cookies. So it makes a good bit. And it is so good. Just have to have a big old glass of milk with it. And my honey is going to be so happy when he gets home. Well, I got to go check on my chickens again. Mess up this hair. Make sure they have some good fresh water. But y'all go make you some. I'll be back in a little bit with more. Bye.